out here, come out here on social media, yeah? And when they come out here on social media, and them a curse, you can hear how far, down, deep down in the heartstring a tear out. When them a cuss, you can hear the cussing a root up, a come up in the heart. Oh, them a cuss hard. I say, mighty God, a big woman like this. No, a cuss so. What if she drop down and dead on the live? What if she catch a heart attack or a stroke on the live? Me see already, when me not call no name, but people a cuss me in social media, yeah. When me not see them, but them a cuss me do, them see me. What am I say? It's not pick up good hour. When me look to Rock Villages, people, me not call no name, you know. When me look, me see people come out on their live, and me sit down and I say, Jesus, please, you shall go on. You know, so she crazy? She get mad and her pin them can't come for her. Dirty honor! Scam honor! What's up? What's up? We're not strong, man. God. I'm weak. I can't. I can't manage. Verona, good morning. I can't take this. Dosa. Mighty God. How they do it? No, sir. You can't hear me? I'm cutting in and out. I must see Wi-Fi. How come? You hear me good now? I can hear you well. Lord of mercy. I mean, I say, oh God. I say, Jesus, please. I say, God, please. Please, God. Please, God. Protect them. Guide them, Father God. Because somebody are going to drop down. Somebody are going to get hurt. Look how this a woman a get up. Guide them, Father God. Because somebody are going to drop down. Oh, this a woman a get up a curse me. I mean no know her. I mean not curse her. Look how this a man a get up a curse me. Me not answer. Me don't know him. Me not curse him back. Him alone a curse to himself. Like, that makes sense? Eh? And them a ball out and throat hole, you know? And they serious. Me not done with you yet. You think me done with you? Me not done with you. Dirty honor. No, sir. You know what I mean? No, me not acknowledge. Nobody, Sister Claudia, me just a say. Or some of these people, they just get up and they're not gonna stop until somebody drop down. Yeah, they just stop until somebody drop down. Then now stop until somebody drop down and dead. You know? When we look, hey Angela Toms, hey there. Good morning, Georgia Palmer. Yeah, very, very sad. Very, it's a sad situation. You get up, you know? It's crazy. Me, I wonder if them alright. You get up here in your house, a curse. A curse. A curse somebody every day. Oh, me I mash up your business. Your business have to mash up. Your relationship have to mash up. Your this have to mash up. Your that have to mash up. No man. And tell me say I'll pitney. Kids, innocent kids, being pulled and dragged in the mud. You know what I'm saying? These things, I saw a 19-year-old who took her life. Who see it? Let me see if I can find a story. Let me see if I can find a story there.